Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Southern Style Pinto Beans in the electric pressure cooker. This is the no-soak method, and I'm using the GeekChef Electric Pressure Cooker. So I'm starting off on saute function on the highest heat, and I added 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the bottom of the pot. And I'm going to add 1 piece of smoked sausage that is cut into about 1-inch pieces. Now you can use either pork smoked sausage or beef smoked sausage for this. So I'm just going to cook it just for a few seconds to begin to heat it through. And then I'm going to add 1 onion that I roughly chopped, along with 1 bell pepper that I roughly chopped. I used the red bell pepper, but if you desire you can use green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, whatever type of pepper you desire. Now we're going to cook the onions and peppers for about 5 to 10 minutes. I just want to begin to cook them until they become soft and translucent. So I let this go for about 6 minutes, and now I'm going to add my spices. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 2 tablespoons of paprika. And also I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now the reason why I'm adding the spices to the base is because I want to heat the spices up to wake up all the flavors of the spices. So we're just going to cook this just for about a minute. So I'm adding 8 ounces of dried pinto beans, and these have already been rinsed and picked through. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell and select all notifications. Now to the pinto beans, I'm adding 5.5 cups of water that I brought to a boil in my electric kettle. Now I'm going to throw in 1 packet of beef onion soup mix. And I'm going to stir everything together, and I'm going to put the lid onto my electric pressure cooker and make sure the steam vent is closed. Now I use the poultry function on my GeekChef pressure cooker, and I set it to 55 minutes. So now we're going to let this cook for 55 minutes and then wait 15 minutes before opening the steam vent. So I already let the steam and everything out, and I removed the lid from my pressure cooker and I allowed this to sit for about 30 minutes with the lid sort of cracked. So I wanted to show you guys that the juices will thicken up as the beans sit and cool off for a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and plate this up and let you guys see a better shot. Here is my delicious pinto beans. They smell so good. Can't wait to dig in. Please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you'd like to see in a future video. I served this with my homemade copycat Jiffy cornbread recipe. I'll put the link in the description box. So here goes. It's nice and tender. All the flavors from the bell peppers, onion and garlic, and you can taste that chili powder, and the sausage just gives it such a nice kick because I use that spicy smoked sausage. Absolutely delicious. There you have it, how to make pinto beans. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to live and be well, especially right now. Let's keep praying with this coronavirus pandemic that we are dealing with. Let's keep praying, and please remember to live and be well.